Hello students, welcome to JSM. In this video I am going to explain the concept of hybridization. It is important and it is a beautiful topic. So now hybridization. What is hybridization? The process of intermixing. The process of intermixing. The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals having same or slight difference in their energies and different shapes to produce same number of identical new orbitals. Same number of identical new orbitals is known as hybridization. Okay, so now this is the definition of hybridization. The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals having same or slight difference in their energies and different shapes to produce same number of identical new orbitals is known as hybridization. So the definition itself, it is giving their producing of what? Identical orbitals. So for example, general example I am taking s orbital and one p orbital. S orbital and one p orbital combining or intermixing to give orbitals like this. So now these are neither s orbital nor p orbital. So now this is known as what? Hybrid orbital. This is known as what? Hybrid orbital. So according to definition, the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals, say for example, this is 2s 2p, same or slight difference in their energies, so they are intermixing to give same number. How many involving? So one s orbital, one p orbital. So here we are getting same number. So now this is a first hybrid orbital. Okay, this is first hybrid orbital. So now this is a second hybrid orbital. So how many total? So two hybrid orbitals we are getting. Which hybridization? In hybridization, one s orbital, one p orbital is involving. So now two sp hybrid orbitals we are getting. So after formation of hybrid orbitals, according to definition, identical, these two orbitals should identical and produce same number new orbitals. So now not like this s orbital, not p orbital. So this is what? sp hybrid orbital. In previous video I have explained the structure of methane molecule according to VBT, valence bond theory. In this carbon in first excited state having 4 electrons, one is in s orbital and remaining 3 are in p orbitals. We know that hydrogen atomic number is 1 and electronic configuration 1s1. So all 4 hydrogens means what? All s orbitals having unpaired electrons. Now in the formation of methane molecule according to VBT, so now this is the s orbital of hydrogen, this is the s orbital of carbon. So between overlapping of between these two orbitals, formation of a bond takes place, first one, and remaining 3 p orbitals of carbon are overlapping with s orbitals of hydrogen. So now these 3 bonds are formed between s orbital of hydrogen and p orbitals of carbon. So now according to VBT, in the formation of methane molecule, here we observed 2 types of bonds. First one is a bond between s orbital of carbon, s orbital of hydrogen, s orbital of carbon, s orbital of hydrogen, and remaining 3 are between 3 p orbitals of carbon and 3 s orbitals of hydrogen. So now here we observed 2 types of bonds according to VBT. But experimental evidences are showing what? This is the structure of methane molecule. This is the structure of methane molecule. In the formation of this methane molecules, all bond parameters are same in all aspects. All aspects. And these all bonds are equal. All bonds are equal. But whereas according to VBT, here we are observing 2 types of bonds we are observing, and these 2 bond energies are different. 2 bond energies are different. But whereas in case of experimental evidences, so here all these bonds are same. All these bonds are same. So now in the formation of methane molecule, according to experimental evidences, what is happening? Hybridization is taking place. Hybridization is taking place, so that hybridization we are getting identical orbitals we are getting. Identical orbitals we getting. In case of methane, here we are getting 4 identical orbitals. So all these 4 identical bonds we are getting. Okay, na? If we get identical orbitals, what are bonds formed? All bonds also identical. All bonds also identical. So this is the process is taking place in the formation of a molecule. So this is the process of formation of molecule by using hybridization. Rules of hybridization. Rules of hybridization. So now in this first one, hybridization can take place between orbitals of same atom. Okay, it cannot take place between the orbitals of different atom. Say for example, in methane, first excited state of carbon, that is 2s1 2p3. 2p3. This is 2s orbital, this is 2p orbital. These 1s orbital, 3p orbitals of carbon atom. Okay, undergoing hybridization to give 4sp3 hybrid orbitals. 4sp3 hybrid orbitals. So what is the meaning of this? The orbitals s orbital and p orbital belongs to carbon only. So only one atom orbitals, that means what? Hybridization can take place between orbitals of same atom. Orbitals of same atom. Here what is the atom? Carbon. So now these two are what? Orbitals of carbon. In between these orbitals only hybridization is taking place. So very important point this is. So the hybridization can take place between the orbitals of same atom. It cannot take place between the atoms of different elements or different atoms. So this is very important point. And second point, you see, hybridization can occur between the atomic orbitals having small difference in their energies. I have explained in definition also. Okay, what is the definition of hybridization? The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals having same or slight different in their energies. having same or slight different in their energies, okay, are to produce same number of identical new orbitals. So definition itself, it is explaining all these points, but is important to explain point wise. So now second point is giving what? Orbitals having same or slight different in energies only, they are involving in hybridization. Say for example, here you see 1s and 2s orbital, 2s and 2p orbital, 2p and 3s orbital, 3s and 3p orbital. So now 3p and 3d orbital. So now in between these, so now here hybridization takes place. So now here also hybridization takes place. So here hybridization can occur. But whereas in case of like this, here it is 1s and 2p, so hybridization cannot occur. Now here it is 2p and 3p, hybridization cannot takes place. So now 3s and 3d, hybridization cannot takes place. So now here hybridization not occurs. So like this, energy difference is more. Energy difference is more. So now this is the second point. This is the second point. Okay. So hybridization can occur between the atomic orbitals having small difference in their energies. So if energy difference is large, hybridization cannot take place. So now this is the second point. So now it is the third point. The number of hybrid orbitals formed after hybridization will be equal to number of atomic orbitals participating in hybridization. So this is very important. So now here it is what I am taking one s orbital and one p orbital, one s orbital and one p orbital. This is s orbital, this is p orbital. So one how many involving? 2 involving. So now what are hybridized orbitals? Hybridized orbital should be 2. Okay. So now here it is, so now here it is 1 2. Now this is the indication or notation of hybrid orbitals. So now this is s orbital, this is p orbital. So now here how many? This is one hybrid orbital, this is second hybrid orbital. So now 2 sp hybrid orbitals, 2 sp hybrid orbitals. So now this is also important. The number of hybrid orbitals are formed after hybridization. So now this is the intermixing process. This is what hybridization will be equal to number of atomic orbitals participating in hybridization. How many are involving? 2 orbitals are involving. How many are formed? 2 are formed. So now this is very important condition. So now fourth point. The orbitals are formed after hybridization are identical. Are identical in all respect. What is that? That is size, shape and energy. Size, shape and energy. So generally this is the hybrid orbital is denoted with so like this is the hybrid orbital. This is hybrid orbital. So now in this hybrid orbital, electron cloud density concentrated in a single direction. Remember, okay na? This is the showing of what? Hybrid orbital. This is the hybrid orbital. So now here you see. So like this, how many orbitals are there? 2. So that's why we are saying what? 2 sp hybrid orbitals. So now this is the designation or notation of what? Hybrid orbital. Okay. So now this is what? Hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. So now next point. The hybrid orbitals are produced, arrange themselves in a 3D space such a way that the repulsion between the orbitals is minimum, and this providing the particular geometry of the molecule. Okay. So definition itself, it is giving what? So now all these repulsions in a molecule should be minimized, then only it will be stable. Then only it will be stable. These are the rules of hybridization.